Hey everyone! In this guide, I'm going to show you how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online using the updated 2026 layout. So first, let's open a browser. Head to quickbooks.com, click Sign In, and log in with your email and password. Once the dashboard loads, we're ready to create a clean, clear balance sheet that shows the financial position of your business. Start by clicking Reports on the left menu. At the top of the Reports page, type Balance Sheet into the search bar and open the standard report. This report automatically breaks your finances into three main parts: assets, liabilities, and equity. These sections help you understand what your business owns, what it owes, and the value left over for the owner. At the top of the report, set your date range. You can pick this year, last month, or a custom date, whatever period you need. The balance sheet always shows numbers as of a specific point in time, so choosing the right date is important. Next, click Customize. Here you can choose cash or accrual accounting, show or hide specific rows, adjust columns, or format the layout. If you want a simple, easy-to-read design, collapse the major account groups. If you want more detail, expand all accounts to show each individual line. You can also turn on the Compare Another Period option to add a second column. This lets you compare your current numbers to the previous month, quarter, or year, which is super helpful for spotting changes or trends. If your accounts look out of order, you can organize them by enabling account numbers in your settings. Once account numbers are turned on, the balance sheet will follow that sequence automatically, giving your report a logical and consistent layout. When your report looks the way you like, click Save Customization. This lets you reopen your preferred balance sheet layout anytime without redoing your settings. You can also email, print, or export the report using the buttons at the top. Exporting to PDF gives you a clean, shareable document, while exporting to Excel lets you do deeper analysis if needed. And that's it. That's how to make a balance sheet in QuickBooks Online using the 2026 setup. Once you know how to adjust the date range, customize the layout, and save your preferred version, creating a professional balance sheet becomes quick and reliable. Thanks for watching.